高いね。
Felix is still hesitating. He doesn't know if he should go or not. This is a pool area somewhere in Chiba called Inage something 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 pool. And yeah, today is Marine Day. It's sometimes in July. And Marine Day 2009, of course. And you can imagine like 25,000 people joining this pool area. We got a nice spot, not so crowded. Felix is getting closer to the big mushroom here. So I think he's trying to figure out what he wants to do. Inside, outside. He's going a little bit more closer, and I guess he is retrieving. No, he has a kind of like an insecure feeling about this water splashing down on him. It's actually kind of cool. I think that's the main reason why he doesn't want to go inside. Cool water on a sunny day. I would say 32, 34 degrees in the shadow. Yeah, it's nice. I mean, look at all the chicks and all that. We had just a couple of pickups just a few minutes ago. Felix is the best buddy wingman a father can wish for, and he's smiling to the girls, same as Daddy is smiling back, and you know, it's just a wonderful day. Mommy is at the place where we just left for, where we had the umbrella and, you know, the seating area basically. So she said, "Itterashai" means go and enjoy yourself, and that's what we're doing. Felix has not yet entered the mushroom. We assume that the mushroom is a little bit cold for him. We can try to get inside and film from the inside what it's gonna be if Felix would make it. Felix is maybe not making it. He is still skeptic about it. Mommy is in the background. Here we go. Alright, back to Felix. Felix, can you make it? Can you make it? Can you make it? Woo! Yes, come to daddy. 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 Come. Woo! Felix still doesn't want to trust the whole thing. I think I'm going to pick him up and I'm just going to put him inside, and that will be the next cut. So this is the next scene, basically from the inside. We are seeing now, looking towards Takachan on the other side of the mushroom, facing back. There are the two idiots who are freezing fucking cold in the mushroom. We try to get out. We try. And this is exhausting. This is really wet. Yes, and Felix looking back to his challenge. He had a real challenge today. He was facing the mushroom monster. The big water mushroom monster. Mommy doesn't want to tackle him because I think she thinks that he is wet.